na si Kuya MM. Hello, Kuya MM. Welcome to my live, Kuya. How are you today, Kuya MM? Wala, ang ganda mo naman. Thank you. Not really guild account, but thanks. Hi, Claire and Ate Yvonne. Hello, Kuya MM. Musta na?
How's your day, Are you working? Kung ka na sila, nag-work ba din? Mangita na ko kuan. Mangita ko ugma og table.
And so, by the way, MM, we're going to another market to
Kuan kanang
mall or market finding study table. We're going to find another study table. We can't afford the others. So we're going to another market. Kaya ano, work Saturday. Okay, you're my ideal girl.
Are you single,
Really? Guild account? I am.
Mina siya dahil nga kanang ni nga rin sa Pilipinas tuan. Kapag ba?
Come on.
Sisyo nga.
Good luck with your search for a table. Yes, Kuya MM.
Ang pagka dahil, asa
Asa?
yung tutang?
Narito gyapon.
Ang magnalang ni
Wala na ako gigasto-gasto eh.
Very good, Claire.
Internet, medyo buang. May internet, Kuya MM?
Why? What happened to your internet?
What happened? Di, emerald ako. Nangutan ko ba? May internet, you mean? Are the bracelets still 50 pesos? Yes, Kuya MM. Nangutan na siya sa bracelet. Yes, I still have the bracelets here. If you want to buy, it's still available. Still available. Dito na.
Ang inaya. Kaluoy.
And, saan ka nang utang?
Sila po kung ilang bayo mo. Sila mo ilang bayo mo ginangutang na sila.
Wala sa una ba? Sa buong utang. Pero gibayad na.
Pero wala may utang sila.
Wala na. Wala naman ako nagidala. It's still available, Kuya MM.
Friend
have to
of
say
yours, credit the bracelet. 50 pesos credit.
Yes. 50 pesos each, How many do you have to sell? Maybe 20.
20 ay.
Di ba pag ato ba? Pero karon kay naghan naman ni palit, so 20 ba to? Abot lang. Usap ko siya.
Murag 16 ba?
16? 16 Kuya MM. But now, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Uy,
So, 10 na Kuya MM.
Napakoy buhaton doon ka. Ang usbon. 12.
10 Kuya MM, you want to buy?
12 lagi. Kinapay duha.
I still remember. Musa gito yung sulti na nato ma?
Palit siya.
Yes, you're going to
12
buy?
na. Kay akong usbon.
Wow, kani.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ako lang usbon.
12 Kuya MM.
Ano dyan usbon? Ikabuangan mo ninyo buhat-buhat yun. Ako yung notarong.
Sige, wait lang. Hala, wait lang daw ko no. Sige Kuya MM, I'm waiting Kuya MM. Thank you in advance.
Ako yung usbon. Ano na akay gagmay day? Kaning gagmay ako ni Balin ha? Ayun,